Yo, I got an unboxing for you today. This is F50 um Adizero for soccer, basically, yeah, you know. This is the firm ground version of the blue white slime one, the leather version. Yep. Yep, they're 9.5, so let's get to it. Alright, you got your comforters here for your shoe. You got your leather conditioner thing to put on your shoe. And here's the boot. A real nice boot. It looks pretty nice color, bright color. It has, you see the leather on it. Doesn't really weigh nothing at all. If you hold the synthetic and the other one, you can like not really even tell like the weight supposed. Well, like the leather one's supposed to weigh a little more, like 0.2 grams, but that's not much. Let's get the other one out. Here they are. I ordered these from soccerpro.com. You want to check them out? Good prices. I got this for $130, I think. Yeah, $130. Great shoe, real deal. Leather, you can feel it all. Great boot. Yeah, guys, there's the F50 comforter and leather conditioner. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, rate, like the video. Thanks.